Sales leaders, tired of the guesswork? Meet Camila and Nico, both chasing revenue. One drowning, one dominating. Their secret? It's clearer than you think.
Camila relies on manual effort, battling unseen lead leakage. Nico, he has an unfair advantage.
I can't see what my team's saying. WhatsApp has the real sales action. My CRM, it's just silent.
What if AI spotted that missed WhatsApp message right inside your CRM before the deal slipped away?
B surfaces the right lead, the right line, at the right time, and Nico hits send before doubt sets in.
It was slipping. B caught it. I closed it.
I was missing deals left and right. Then I realized everything was stuck inside WhatsApp.
Seriously? So how'd you flip that around?
B does. It spots silence, slow replies, even doubt in the tone, straight from WhatsApp.
Wait, it reads what isn't said?
Yep. Flags it before they drift. I don't chase, I intercept.
I need that. How do I get B?
Real wins aren't guessed, they're engineered. B is how. Eazybe is where. You just ran out of excuses.